Hey, this is Preetika Rao, आपकी आलिया from बेइंतहा, and this is part 2 of धर्मिष्ठा's diary. धर्मिष्ठा ने मुझे उनका मोबाइल दिया है, which is like one hefty mobile. It has a lot of your questions and I'm going to answer them. The first questions are from Shazina Zuhar. Okay. Are you handling your Twitter account or is somebody else? Of course I'm handling my Twitter account. Everybody knows that. Acting as a Muslim girl, what do you feel about it? If you read my blog on religion, you would know how I feel about religion. So for me, playing a Muslim girl and playing a Hindu girl is the same. I think it's only the drape that would change, and maybe a little bit of the language, lehza of Urdu that would change. Otherwise, I'm playing a human being, so it doesn't matter. Your next question is from Bijal Patel. Hi Bijal, how are you? I'm using your perfume that you gifted me. If you have the chance to sing one Atif Aslam song, which song would it be? Why was your question not if you had a chance to sing with Atif Aslam? That would have been a better question. So many songs. Maybe Rang Sharbaton Ka, probably. Do you have any plans to come to London? I have plans, but it's subject to my visa. I'm single, so it's subject to my visa. If there was any movie that you could have done the playback singing, to which movie would you choose? I think Aashiqui 2. I was almost offered that film and I didn't go for the meeting because I had my tickets to New York were booked for my course, my study course, so I didn't go for the meeting of Aashiqui 2. What is your current favorite song? Current favorite song? I think maybe Chithiyan Kalaiyan. I think if you had the chance to sing a song with Atif, that's the question, baby. I really don't remember right now. It's not just coming to me, but any song with Atif Aslam, trust me, any song. Naina, that's your question, Naina. Hi Naina, how are you? What is your dream role in TV? To an extent, Alia was my dream role. And your second question is, what kind of character do you want to play next? Anything but mythology, I think. Anything, I think. Unless the mythology is very well made, and it has some like classy touch to it. Are there any shows that caught your interest, and what are they? Recently, Jhalak Dikhla Ja really caught my interest because I think with Shahid on board and so many interesting girls from television right now being contestants, it's really interesting. I just got an offer to be on Jhalak as a wild card entry, but that's not what I want to do. Recently you launched a music album, so what's next? Looking for a show? I'm not sure what I'm looking for right now, but I'm looking for some good work and let's hope it comes along. If you were offered a classy bahu, modern bahu, like Alia from बेइंतहा, college girls, spoilt brat and the girl next door, and Poonam from Viva. Okay, like Poonam from Viva. Which one would you choose? I would probably choose something like a modern independent girl, maybe living her life her way on her terms and conditions. Other than Harshad, who would you like to work with next? I would like to work with my friend Nakul. I did the Cadbury's ad with him. That was my debut, one of my debut ads in modeling. If you were offered a love, college, scientific and mystery show, which one would you choose? Any of these shows would do as long as the team, the entire team and the channel and everything is working well for me. Any of this would do because I can do justice to love, college, scientific and mystery. What scientific? Rocket scientist you want me to be? Okay, Sylvia has asked me all school questions, taking me back to my school. Your favorite subject in school? History. I majored in history. What do you do in free time at home? Sometimes I do catch up with a lot of YouTube videos and stuff I missed online. I couldn't do it. I mean, the last time I tried to watch some episodes of Jhalak Dikhla Ja, which I had missed, and I just couldn't see beyond 15 minutes. Your lucky number and why? I hope it's 6. I don't know. When are you coming back on screen together? Me and Harshad. Harshad has already signed Kabool Hai for ZTV. So I really don't know when we come back again together. Do you miss the Beintaha team? Oh yeah, I do miss all of that. I miss those tea sessions with Naved Aslam that I had on the set. I miss, like Ritu Rajji, who played my dad. He had such a good sense of humor. We would keep laughing all the time. It was really funny. And of course, Suchitra Pillai, she would keep fooling around all the time. What do you think about Zaya fans? Is that a question? I think they're fantastic. I wouldn't be what I am today without the Zaya fans. Hope you will interview them. Okay, she's interviewed me. She's done it for you guys. So I hope you liked my, answering your question session. I hope I did a little bit of justice to your questions and I answered them all. And thank you all of you for writing, and keep watching Dharmishta's Diary.